For the last couple of years, AI meant one thing. You type, it replies. A really smart autocomplete. But that era is already ending. The new wave doesn't just answer you. It goes off, plans, uses tools, and gets things done while you watch. These are AI agents. And when you connect them together, that's where it gets wild. Let's break down how we got from chatbots to entire teams of AI working for you. First, what actually makes something an agent versus just a chatbot? A regular language model does one thing: text in, text out. It thinks, it talks, it stops. An agent adds a loop. It can think about a goal, take an action in the real world, like searching the web, running code, or sending an email, then observe what happened. Think, act, observe, repeat until the job is done. That loop is the whole difference. A chatbot tells you how to do something. An agent goes and does it. So what gives an agent that power? Three things. Number one, tools. On its own, a language model is trapped inside its own head. It only knows what it was trained on. But give it tools, and it can search live data, run code, query a database. Hit an API, the model decides which tool to use and when. Number two, memory. A simple chatbot forgets everything the moment the conversation ends. An agent keeps track of what it tried, what worked, what failed. That's what lets it handle long, multi-step tasks without losing the plot. Number three, planning. Give an agent a big, fuzzy goal and it can break it down itself, into steps, into subtasks. Then it works through them, adjusting as it goes. Tools, memory, planning around a reasoning model. That's an agent. Now here's where it levels up. One agent doing everything is powerful, but it can get overwhelmed, just like one person juggling 10 jobs. So instead, we use many. This is a multi-agent system. You have a lead agent, think of it as a manager, that breaks the goal into pieces and hands each piece to a specialist. One agent researches, another writes code, another reviews that code, another drafts the summary. They work in parallel, pass results back and forth, and the manager pulls it all together. If that sounds familiar, it should. It's basically an org chart, except the whole team is AI and it runs in seconds, not weeks. And this is where things are heading right now. Instead of you managing a dozen separate AI tools, you give one instruction from one place and a system of agents fans out across your environments, your browser, your inbox, your editor, your files. Research these 5 competitors, draft a summary and put it in a doc, becomes a single sentence. That's the super agent idea. You stop being the operator and start being the director. Now let's be real. This isn't magic yet. More agents means more places for things to go wrong. A small mistake early can cascade through the whole system. They can get stuck in loops, burn through cost, or confidently do the wrong thing. That's why the hard part of agentic AI isn't the agents themselves. It's the guardrails, the verification, the checkpoints, the human in the loop. The teams that win aren't the ones with the most agents. They're the ones who learn to direct them well. So that's the journey. From a chatbot that just talks, to a single agent that acts, to a whole team of agents you direct from one place. This is probably the biggest shift in how we'll build software this decade. Next, I'm going one level deeper. Exactly how an agent decides which tool to use and when. Subscribe so you catch it. And tell me in the comments, what's the first task you'd hand off to a team of agents?